G'day everybody, where's Wally here. This might be the fastest one ever. You know how the other day I said that you get handed a softball? This one is even easier. Adam just popped up this SR71 video and he thinks he's got some amazing proof.
Back with the globe killer, the SR71. There's very little footage online showing the SR71 do its thing. Got a short clip, just over 3 seconds long. We're going to have a look. Watch how fast this thing flies across the sky. Unbelievable. Let's have a quick look.
A spontaneous experience. These are carefully planned, choreographed missions.
With the thunderous clap of a...
Unbelievable. Watch how fast this plane goes. Unbelievable.
But Adam, you've provided absolutely no frame of reference. We don't know how close or how far away that plane is flying. We don't know what altitude it is. We don't know what direction to it. We don't know if we're looking at it from the side or directly underneath. So Adam, to coin a phrase from a good friend of mine, Mr. Sensible, this is just a pile of fetid turnip peelings. Come on, Adam, have a word with yourself.
I don't entirely know exactly what's going on.
At 2,200 miles per hour, the aircraft becomes...
Captain Cherrypick strikes again.
That'll be interesting. I don't entirely know exactly what's going on. And what's even more unbelievable is when we time this bit of footage, which was just over 3 seconds long, we'll call it 3 seconds, and then we apply a bit of globe maths and put a straight line up against this trail. That'll be interesting. Yeah, when I come back to my old card from the video I did a month or so ago about the speeds in the SR71. Of course, we look at the breakdown of average speeds to curvature according to the globe maths. And on average, at the bottom right here, per second, the SR71 has to drop 836 feet per second. So if I've got a 3-second clip here of the SR71 going full tilt, according to the globe math, it should have dropped 2,400 feet due to globe earth curve, just based on the short clip we've got. But when we put a straight line up against the trail this incredible plane has left, surprise, surprise, it's dead straight.
Oh, come on, mate, you've got to do better. Are you really upset that we just totally owned you on that drone and now you're just popping up any sort of rubbish? Anyway, Adam, you know what flies faster than the SR71? The ISS. And guess what? When it flies directly over me, it's a straight line.
Here's the line I put up over the trail of the SR71. I'm just going to fade it in and out. Bearing in mind, there should be, according to the globe mathematics, 2,400 feet of supposed curvature in this trail the SR71 has left. Let's have a look. 2,400 feet of curvature. Yeah, it's not there in your trail.
Adam, quick question. Apart from your disastrous fail with the size of the drop that you calculated, that's well chuckle-worthy, you do realise that a curve, when looked at side-on, is a straight line, yes? Just saying, I think that could be another fail.
I don't entirely know exactly what's going on.
Now, Adam, if you want to see something going really fast, here's a down view from the ISS live streaming camera in mid-January 2021. And they were running about 150mm zoom. I think you know what that is, don't you, Adam? I'm surely you do. Anyway, there was about 10 seconds scanning across the terrain here. Oh, what was that? Do you know what that piece of shoreline was, Adam? I hope you do, because it's going to be a bad day when you find out. But anyway, I wanted to show you this piece over here. This is what I'm going to leave you with. The ISS, straight after this, went from South Australia over Victoria, New South Wales, and then finally Queensland. And when you work out the speed for that distance, it works out to be this nice number. Well, how is that, Adam? Who would have thought? Bye-bye, Adam. You've got to do better than this. I got other things to do. Bye. So while you're watching the beautiful pieces of Australia float by from the ISS, how about you click on the little button up the top here, pop over to Nicholas Rehm's channel and give him a like and a subscribe maybe even. He has been putting up with a lot of flatty silliness of late. I don't know why, perhaps because he told Adam the truth a few times, and Adam didn't like it very much at all. So give him a click, a like and a subscribe. We'll see if we can help him out a little bit too.